People are going crazy after these Ghibli style images. I have no idea for what reason, but today I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how to create these kind of images and how to create your photos into these images or how to just generate prompt. So it's really simple. You need to go to grok.com. If you are not signed up for Grok, make sure you're signed in and you are on the screen. So once you are on the screen, you can see a create images over here. Just click on that create image. Now I can either draw or I can upload an image. Let's go ahead and start giving it a prompt. So create images, draw a picture of a man near a lake under a tree in Ghibli style. And Grok will immediately start working on this, and in few seconds it should have been completed. See, it's generating right now. Now this is the simplest way to do that. I mean, you can do it from OpenAI as well, but you know there are limits to OpenAI. So this is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get a file. Okay, here it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and ask it to convert it to Ghibli style. Okay, this might take some time because it is going to process our image first and then it will go ahead and provide us output. Okay, Grok ran into some problem. Okay, I think it's working now. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm also gonna go ahead and show you our original image. Let me just go ahead and find it. And here it is. Oh yeah, this is the one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this in Paint and unzoom this. So this is our original image, and this is what Grok has given us. I mean, it's still not the same, but it's pretty good. And you can try your own photos, try some random prompts, and there you have it. It's completely free, and this is the easiest way to do the Ghibli style. Hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.